Hi and welcome. So, what is Shop Tales and Lore all about? Well, we like to think of it as a comprehensive resource for do-it-yourselfers, weekend tinkerers, and home workshop enthusiasts. If you enjoy creating, repairing, or just relaxing in your shop planning that next project, then ST&L is your YouTube destination. Our background and experience are based on 3 generations as custom cabinet and furniture makers, but just as creative folks who enjoy working with their hands are typically into more than one medium or area of interest, we're striving to be more than just another woodworking channel. Sure, there will be plenty of that kind of content, but as the channel grows, we plan to include different and more varied topics like selecting and solving problems with paints, stains, and finishes, tool maintenance and repair, metalworking skills, designing and building shop furniture, fixtures, and jigs, product reviews, automotive and power equipment maintenance and repair, encouraging young people to consider careers in the building trades, and, well, you get the idea. Practically anything that would interest viewers who are gripped by that hard-to-explain, irresistible impulse to build and fix things. Along the way, you'll find sprinkled into the mix subjects stemming from our other passion, vintage DIY culture, literature, methods, and tools. Our pledge to our viewers is that regardless of the topic, our content will be authentic and will always reflect our best efforts to bring you the full and fair story from first-hand experience and trusted sources. We will not cut corners or compromise quality for the sake of ratings or other shallow motives. So come on along for the ride. Click on that subscribe button, ring the bell, and join us for the Shop Tales and Lore experience. Thanks for watching.